band together, making peace signs. But peace is the last thing on Dan's mind.
Politics is the biggest thing right now. Politics dictates how you live, so.
Not to me.
Not to you.
My
So
religion
politics,
dictates how I live.
the religion. Okay, that goes even farther then, because religion is something you can't help. Religion is something you can't help because some invisible guy in the sky tells you you're going to go to hell if you don't do the right thing. That's a dictatorship. I